My dear student, last class we have discussed something about the properties of electric charges. Electric charges and its properties. Today we are going to discuss about the how a body gets charged. Means electrification. Electrification or charging means when a body gains some electron or loses some electron, we say body is get charged. It means when a body kept in contact with each other or placed nearby a charged conductor, or when two bodies are rubbed with each other, there is a loss or gain of electron. Such phenomena is called electrification. It may be due to transfer, arrangement, or flow of electron. When the sharing of electron takes place with earth, we refer it as earthing. When the sharing of electron takes place with earth, we refer it as earthing. Let us earthing means it is replied or it is represented as it means this is the body, either it may be a positive or it may be a negative, any charge, that is earth. The earthing symbol is represented in such a way. Let us imagine I have taken a positive body and I have taken a negative body. This is positive and this is negative. Positive means there is a loss of electron. Negative means there is a gain of or excess of electron. Let this body is earth and this body is also earth. When the positive body is earthed, there is a transfer of electron from earth to body. It means electron moves from earth to body. In this case, this is a negative body. It means there is an excess of electron. Electron moves from body to earth. It means electron moves from body to earth. Here electron moves from earth to body, and here electron moves from body to earth. And after that, the potential becomes zero, and the total charge becomes zero. After earthing, net potential is equal to 0. Clear? Now we will discuss about the method of charging. A uncharged body. How a body gets charged? It means this can be done by three methods. There are three types of electrification. First one is charging by friction. Second one is charging by induction. Third one, charging by conduction. At first we will discuss about charging by Friction means let us imagine this is a body, this is another body, two body. I have taken two body. This is one type body, this is one type. When two body are rubbed with each other, there is a transfer of electron from one body to the another. There is a transfer of electron. The body that gains electron becomes negative body, and the body that loses electron become positive. The phenomena of charging a uncharged body when rubbed with another, it is due to transfer of electron. Transfer of electron means the body that loses electron becomes positive and the body that gains electron becomes negative. The body that loses electron becomes positive and the body that gains electron becomes negative. Number of electron gained by negative body is equals to number of electron lost by positive body. Hence there is no loss of electron. Electron move from one body to another body. There is no loss or gain of electron. Hence it obey conservation of charge. Previous exam, in the last year exam, it is asked that does charging by friction obey conservation of charge? Yes. Does it violate conservation of charge? Answer no, it does not violate. No. In friction, charge get transferred and accumulate over the surface of the body. Hence, charge remains at rest. So, it is also called static electricity or frictional electricity. Clear? The series of substance from positive to negative are funnel, to funnel, funnel, funnel. 3 glass. 4 mica. 5 wool. 6 silk বুঝি উচিত 7 cotton 8 wood 9 amber 10 resinous 11 metal 12 sulfur 13 rubber 14 celluloid 15 ebonite and 16 is gutta percha. Let us imagine I would like to say that fur is rubbed with wood. Fur is rubbed with wood. It means earlier is fur, wood is later on. So earlier substance get positive and next was negative. So when fur is rubbed with wood, fur becomes positive, wood becomes negative. It means fur loses electron while wood gains some electron. Let us imagine glass is rubbed with silk. This is the regular question, sir. So when glass is rubbed with the silk, glass is earlier, so glass becomes positive and silk becomes negative. Clear? This is about friction. Some question related to friction. Now we will discuss some questions related to questions. That question I have told. Does charging by friction violate conservation of charge? Answer: no. There is a transfer of electron from one body to another, but that is neither created or nor destroyed. So it obey conservation of charge. Question: while getting out of a car, moving car, when kept rest and we touch it, surface, then we get an electric shock. Why? It is due to frictional electricity. It is due to frictional electricity. When the car is in motion, there is a friction between air and surface of the car. Hence, body gets charged and accumulate over the surface. When we touch it, we get an electric shock. Okay, the regular question, same questions, but a little bit change. A regular question: why the highly inflammable material? Why the highly inflammable material are moving with a truck or earth? Question: why inflammable? Are having chains that touches the ground. Why a inflammable and inflammable? Why an inflammable substance placed on a truck are having chains that touches the ground in motion? It is also due to frictional electricity. When the vehicle having inflammable vehicle substance move with speed, there is friction between air and the surface of the vehicle. So the body gets charged and charge get accumulate over the surface. When the vehicle is moving with a certain speed, there is a friction between air, जो गाड़ी के surface सहित air पवन रो गोटे friction होगा, so the body get charged and charge get accumulate over the surface. Vehicle रो surface ऊपरे कौन होगा जमा है. If it is not earthed by the chain that touches ground, it may cause a spark. That is a violence explosion. A violence explosion. Hence, the vehicle are having chain that touches the ground to prevent such situation. बुझिपारे जदि चेन टा ग्राउंड को लागि न थांता तबे कोन थांता चार्जर सरफेस रे थांता और ड्यू टू सिमिलर चार्जेस they may repel or each other or if any means there is a spark. So if it is not earthed by the chain that touches the ground, it may cause a spark, a violence explosion. कोन थांता last year थांता. Now the second method. Charging by electrostatic induction. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक इंडक्शन कौन एट कौन लिखिए द फेनोमेना ऑफ चार्जिंग ए uncharged and earth body when kept very close to a charged body. It induces opposite charge. Induce opposite charge. There is no physical contact. इट कौन हो फ्रिक्शन केस हम कौन करथु दिटा बॉडी को हमें रब करथु गोटे बॉडी को और बॉडी सहित कसुथुलु बट से कौन है गोटे देला जोड़े नेला इटी कौन है चार्जिंग बाय इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक इंडक्शन कौन इटी एबे हम बॉडी सार किछ गोटे हैला कि कौन है हम कौन देखि देखि सिखि दउछ सिमिलरली इट कौन करा गोटे अनचार्जड अर्थ बॉडी को गोटे चार्ज बॉडी पाख रखा रखे ऑटोमेटिक से चार्ज यारला इट इज ड्यू टू अरेंजमेंट ऑफ चार्ज फ्रिक्शन रे कौन है ड्यू टू ट्रांसफर ऑफ चार्ज इट होची इट इज ड्यू टू arrangement of charge. Let's discuss. Explains. Let a positively charged rod is placed close to a uncharged body by proper insulation. Let us imagine this is a charged body. And this is uncharged body. I can write it as a charged body. This is uncharged body. There is no physical contact, no contact. In uncharged body, the near end towards charged body. Near end means this is the charged body, this is the uncharged body, the near end is this and far end is this. The near end towards charged body induce opposite charge, while far end induce similar or like charge. Like charge means same charge. This is the near end, this is far end. This charge is called inducing charge. This is called induced charge and this is called free charge. Okay? Now if uncharged body get earthed, uncharged body means this body get earthed, then the pre-charge get neutralized. तो केमती हम एटा हूँ मोर चार्ज बॉडी बोली हम कहे एटा हम चार्ज बॉडी नौचे it is near end negative, far end positive. Listen to me, this is the uncharged body. Uncharged body कौन हो जैसे कि negative induce होला सती positive induce होला इटे अंका को भी कौन कले arrangement है तो total charge of the body 0. Now I earth the body इटे मैं कौन कली body को earth करते well previously I have told that if the positive body get earthed, electron moves from earth to body and hence the positive charge get neutralized. At last the uncharged comma earthed body induce opposite charge. It means if you take positive charge, then there is a induction of negative charge. If you take negative body, then there is a positive charge induction. So opposite charge, hence induction always causes attraction. Clear? Note. Induced charge is equal to inducing charge 1 minus 1 by k or q is equal to q 1 minus 1 by k. Negative sign indicate opposite charge are induce. इठो में कहल मन कर धनी तो मो बट पॉजिटिव रे तो नेगेटिव इंड्यूस होला तो नेगेटिव रे पॉजिटिव होला तो जोड़ लिखि तार अपोजिट इंड्यूस हो का ऊपर डिपेंड कला दिस डिपेंड्स अपॉन द dielectric where k is called dielectric constant of the medium. So body नो medium ऊपर डिपेंड कला देखो for metal what is dielectric constant we'll discuss later on. Just think that it is a property of a metal. एबे को खाली भाबी दियो कि ओटा medium रा property टा for metal is k tends to infinity. K tends to infinity means 1 by k tends to 0 implies q is equal to. This is possible in case of metal. Question. Why repulsion is the surest test to identify the charge of a body. Let us imagine I would like to take the two bodies. This is called as the first body and this is called as second body. Okay? If two bodies get attracted, then second body may be oppositely charged or uncharged body. two tests. Let us imagine this is positive body, this is negative body. They attract each other. This is first. Let us imagine this is positive body, this is uncharged body. Now we discuss uncharged body. When players are kept very close to each other, they attract each other due to induction. There is also attraction due to electrostatic induction. That is second test. If two bodies get repelled, if they repel each other, they must be similar charges, or दिटा पॉजिटिव हेतले रिपल्सन हो दिटा नेगेटिव हेतले रिपल्सन हो तार अर्थ इट इज ओनली वन टेस्ट. So which one best? Here two tests, here one test. Hence repulsion is surest test to identify the charge of a body. It means if we take the positive body and the next body get repelled, then second one must be positive. If we take the negative body and the second body get repelled, then the second body is also negative. Clear? Now, previously I have discussed that friction. In case of friction, there is a transfer of electron. ये भी दबो, ये भी दबो. जने देले जने नबो. But in case of induction, there is arrangement. Automatically they will arrange. Positive charge will be come one side and negative charge will be automatically arranged. But in case of the last method is called the conduction method. Charging by conduction. Conduction means there is a physical contact. When two bodies of different potential kept in contact, there is a flow of electron from one body to another. Let us imagine, listen to me, I would like to say that when two bodies of different potential kept in contact, there is a flow of electron. Friction, transfer of electron. Induction, arrangement of electron. While in case of charging, there is a flow of electron. So there is a loss of electron. When there is a flow, charge flows from one body to another. It is due to physical contact only. In conduction, let this body is Q1, this body is Q2. You can touch them and place in the same distance, or you can connect them by means of a wire also and remove it. So I would like to say that this is before contact. They kept in contact. Q1 and Q2 contact. During contact, and Q-dash and Q-dash. This is after contact. After contact, that is Q1, Q2 are charges before conduction and q dash be the charge after conduction. Then q dash is equal to q1 plus q2 by 2. Let us imagine this is 2 coulomb charge and this is 5 coulomb charge. One is 2 coulomb charge and this is 5 coulomb charge. After contact, they become 7 coulomb, and when they detach, each charge becomes 2 plus 5 by 2. Did you get me? 2 plus 5 by 2, which means each charge becomes 3.5 coulomb. So, the important point is that I would like to say that note, in conduction, body get similar charge. So repulsion. In case of induction, opposite charge. In case of conduction, there is a similar charge. Means this is positive, means after charging, it may be positive, it may be negative. Let us imagine this is 7 plus 7 coulomb, this is a minus 2 coulomb. They kept in contact. How much? This is plus 7, this is minus 2. How much it will be? Q1 is plus 7 coulomb and Q2 is minus 2 coulomb. It means Q dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2. 7 plus minus 2 by 2 is equal to 2.5 coulomb. So each charge becomes 2.5 coulomb. Understood? बुझिएगा? तो Q1 का 7 coulomb, Q2 का minus 2 coulomb, 2.5 coulomb, and this is positive sign. They become similarly charged. So repulsion. In case of conduction, there is a repulsion. Question. A uncharged pith ball hanged by insulation thread and kept close to a charged body. What happens? A uncharged pith ball hanged by insulation. This is uncharged, there is no charge. Its charge is 0. It is placed like this is charged. So what happens? Initially they attract due to induction, and when it touches, there is a conduction. So it gets a repelled. Did you get me? Answer. Initially, people get attracted by the charged sheet plus nearby, but electron get repelled. Initially, the ball get attracted by the charged plate nearby, but electron get repelled. Attraction. कौन है attraction? Attraction is due to electrostatic induction and repulsion is due to electrostatic conduction, because when the charged body placed, when the uncharged pith ball placed near the charged body, uncharged page will place near the charged body. There is a opposite charge get induced. Opposite charge get induced. So induction always causes attraction, and when they get attracted, they kept in contact or they touch each other. And after that, the body becomes there is a conduction. The body becomes in conduction. They similar charge. They get similar charge. So conduction hella pore. Sikon hella pore. Similar charge hella. Hence there is a repulsion. Attraction is due to electrostatic induction, and repulsion is due to electrostatic conduction. Okay. Now, question. Can two body of similar nature of charge attract each other? Last class I have discussed the attractive property of charge. That is charge, like charges get repelled and unlike charges get attracted. I have discussed something that more I have discussed later on that two similar charges can also attract each other. Now the question, can two bodies of similar nature of charge attract each other? Answer, yes. It may be due to electrostatic induction. Yes, it may be due to electrostatic induction. When the magnitude of two charges differ in a large extent, then bigger charge induce an opposite charge on smaller one. Hence, the second body get oppositely charged due to electrostatic induction, and induction always causes attraction. Only one condition is satisfied, then only it is possible. That condition is if the two charges differ in large extent. Let us imagine this is 420 coulomb and this is 20 coulomb. Two bodies are there. Let us imagine it induce, this is bigger charge and this is smaller charge, it will induce minus 100 coulomb induction due to dielectric constant variation. Minus 100. The total charge becomes minus 80 coulomb. This is plus, this is minus, hence the oppositely charged and get attracted. Did you get me? Can two bodies of similar nature of charge attract each other? Yes, two bodies can be attract each other if the magnitude of two charges differ in a large extent, then only it is possible. Today classes we have discussed about the three methods of charging. One is called charging by friction, second one is called the charging by induction, and third one is called the charging by conduction. In case of friction there is a transfer of electron, in case of induction there is a arrangement of electron, and in case of conduction there is a flow of electron. Induction always causes attraction and conduction always causes repulsion. Clear? This is about today's class. We will discuss in the next class about the what is point charge and the Coulomb's law of electrostatic. The important part will be discussed in the next class. Thank you for watching. All the best.